This Facebook ad copy has bought 55 share, 3 comments, 166 clicks and lot of sales conversion for me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have these kinds of images guys which convert right like a crazy. These are the few images which you're seeing in your screen guys, which has given me a lot of good conversion, lot of impression, lot of link clicks, right, while promoting a ClickBank offer or any affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you how to get these kinds of high converting Facebook ad images. If you're first time here, do subscribe my channel, watch few of my videos. If that is providing you value, subscribe my channel and smash that like button guys, because in this video you're going to learn something really special so that you can make your Facebook ad campaign one of the successful Facebook ad campaign with these kinds of Facebook ad images. So right now, whatever you're seeing in your screen, these are a few of the images which I used in Facebook ad to promote ClickBank offer like Cinderella Solution, Manifestation Magic, Ted's Woodworking or Battery Life, all these things. For example guys, this image is I used to promote Ted's Woodworking and I bought a lot of good conversion. Okay, as you know that guys, Facebook is all about interrupt marketing and you have to interrupt your scrolling audience, okay, because your audience in the feed are not sitting to see your ads. So you have to create an ad which is a native or which drag the attention. For example, like this video, this isn't a video guys, right? Just the image which is converted into the video. Okay, I'm going to show you right how to do this, all this. Okay, wait a second, right? And this images I used to promote a Cinderella Solution which has given me a lot of good conversion. Okay, as well as a lot of these images. Okay, and this image what you're seeing has brought me a lot of good conversion with Manifestation Magic. But before getting into the images guys, I just want to take you somewhere else, and that is guys the Facebook ad policies. This is really important. Being an affiliate marketer guys, you have to know the Facebook ad image policies. But here you can see prohibited content, restricted content. These are the two very important for any affiliate marketer. So if you're promoting ads, before you promote ads, just get into here two things. Okay, this is really important. Plus guys, which is very important, is text in ad images. So if you click here, you can see advertisement help center. Click here. So now here you can see about text in ad, right? There are three kinds of text guys: body text, ad image and image text. If you are not going to follow these guys, Facebook is going to shut down your account. And this is right, you have to know all the primary text written over in the images is known as guys body text. And then you have an ad image, right? This is your ad image. And then you have a image text. So whatever the text which you're going to write in the image, right, that is image text. So you must read this thing before you create your ad. All the description is given here. Now the first thing is guys, you have to select the product from the ClickBank marketplace or whatever the affiliate product which you're promoting. So I have a two product to show you here. One is Manifestation Magic, another is a Cinderella Solution. So you have to very clear with it, right? What offer you want to promote, okay, to create your images. Both the images for these two products are different because one is based on law of attraction and manifestation, another is based on weight loss and all. Okay, and you can also check their affiliate page. Here you're going to get whether they are providing you some images or not. If they're not providing you guys, or even right, you want to create your own images, I will go here guys. This is called fiverr.com. okay, it's a freelancing service. Under the Fiverr guys, here you have to type Facebook ad image, and here you can see these are the people who is going to create a Facebook ad image for you. To make the sign up with Fiverr, it's completely free guys. You can simply join here. It's a free platform, and then these are the people who's going to help you to create, right? Look at her. Okay, she's right, I will create a Facebook illustration images for you, okay, just for $5. Okay, so you can see $5 and she's going to create you for $5, and I will draw a colorful Victor illustration for Facebook ad, okay, $10. So based on your budget, you can open and check, right? For example, if I click here, and here you can see she's charging $5 for one figure, that is one image guys, high resolution, color, full body, okay, like this. Okay, these are the images guys, look at this. Okay, and then the very important thing is guys, read their rating first. Okay, look at these ratings, like 5 star, 4 stars. She's very new. You can read the rating, and once if you're agree, right, you can just contact her, right? Click here, contact the seller, tell her which kind of images you need. You can also show some of the images like this kinds of images and all, and then they will get back to you right after creating. You have to pay $5 for one images. But if you're not okay with her, you have many option over here, guys. For example, this one, I will create an amazing illustration for Facebook ad, $10. So look at these images, okay? And now what is she's charging here? The basic $10, okay, will draw single illustration. You can see her plan also. Look at this. For the $10, within a 3 days, she is going to give you right one single images, okay? And for within a 2 days, if you want, you have to select here. She's going to charge for $15 here. And also if you go here, you can see her rating is amazing. 1153 people has rated amazing to her. So I think she is the perfect for you. So you can contact her and you can tell which offer you're promoting and what kind of image you need. Especially you have to show them what kind of image that you need, okay? For example, if it's a manifestation magic, what kind of image she can make for you, okay? You can talk to them over there and you can create an amazing image, right? Contacting them. So now guys, if you don't want to invest your money in images, it's fine. You can also use your own software, okay? This is the software called, guys, GIMP, and this is a awesome substitute of a Adobe Photoshop, guys. You can create an amazing image. You can check the tutorials out there, okay, which will allow you to teach how to create these kinds of vector images, okay? These kinds of images you can easily create with it. It's very easy. Sometime I'm creating with it, or sometime I'm giving to Fiverr.com. Another free platform is Canva. Canva is also going to allow you to create a lot of good images. Here you can see he will allow you to create Facebook ad and all like this, okay? Look at this Facebook ad, Facebook app ad, cover, all these things here. But this is really low quality, guys. That's why I'm not creating more with Canva, okay? So but if you're a beginner, you don't want to invest, you can get into Canva. You can put the image size here, whatever the image size it is, okay, you can put here, and that's it, right? Create new design. You should know the Facebook ad aspect ratio, which I showed you in the beginning. And now you have elements and all, right? You can use these elements, for example this one, and according to the offer you can also use the images, okay? If it's a make money online and what are the images you're looking, you can download or from your Google also, but make sure it should be right copyright free, okay? For example this image, and also you can put some arrows and all like this, okay? For example this arrow, so here you can put this arrow here, right? Just simply there's just to grab the attention of the people, okay? You can put the arrow, right? So while you're scrolling the Facebook ad, guys, your target audience will definitely stop and they're going to see this arrow, right? What exactly you're talking about here, okay? Arrow you can put, guys. Also you can put some circle or something to show, okay? Just make sure it's a small, it should not be very big or something like this, okay? Just to grab the attention here, okay? Something like this, okay? And you can create amazing image with Canva also. I hope you got a lot of values from this video and it will help you to convert your Facebook ad and get some sales. So smash that like button, guys, and subscribe my channel. And before you go, I will recommend you to watch this 2 video if you're a completely beginner. This 2 video will help you to set up your Facebook ad and to start your Facebook ad campaign.